Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. I think you're going to love the format and I think you're also going to be fascinated by the production story behind it. This is from my friend Jay Mandarino and the gang at CJ Graphics in Toronto. This was for their client Mercedes. So the first thing I want to talk about is the format, and then I'm going to tell you a bit about the production story. So I love the shape of this. It's got a curved edge, angled sides, and it says what drives you. And when you open it, it's a half a tulip fold. So if you watch Fold of the Week, it's got these characteristic collapsing panels, but it's got a score like this and angled scores like this. If you want to see a complete, like a full kind of classic tulip fold, go back a couple episodes to 425 and you'll see a full tulip. But here's a half tulip. I love the circular shape that it creates as well. And I also love that on the back side, it's their classic hood ornament and brand on the other, folded exactly on the lines. So really pristine, love the way it's printed. It's about an 80-pound cover, satin coated paper, just got a beautiful feel and beautifully printed. However, this piece would always be hand folded. There's just no way. I mean, this is a circle. There's just no way to do this with a machine folder. So what they did is they happened to be near Specialties Graphic Finishers in Toronto, and they specialize in production folding for highly specialized formats. And they created a male-female mold using balsa wood and a hinge, and it collapses onto the piece, and it makes it apparently it increased the production speeds by 400%. And when they had to do about 97,000 of these, it made a gigantic difference. If you want to see another piece that they used, that Specialties use a balsa wood mold on as well, check out episode 290 on the University of Toronto piece. It's amazing. And they did kind of a similar technique to speed up the production. So I love that. The engineering behind that's amazing. Beautiful piece. So creative. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Circular half tulip fold brochure. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.